I'm Sumit De. In this video, we will learn how to calculate line integration over closed curve. Okay. So here I have considered one important question for you. So when you try to solve one question from line integration based on closed curve, you have to memorize two important things. Number one, sense means clockwise or anti-clockwise. Number two, that is the curve. Sometimes you can see single curve, sometimes you can see multiple curves. Okay, these two things are very important, especially for closed curve situation. Okay, let's see how to solve the problem. So if you go through the question, evaluate this taken in the clockwise sense. Clockwise sense. This is very important. Number one, sense. Correct? Along the closed curve C formed by y is equals to x square and y is equals to x. It means this closed curve consists of two curves. Okay. So first thing is you have to draw the figure. Now write down answer. First you write down the figure. This is x, this is y, you have y is equals to x. So y is equals to x, another you have y is equals to x square means parabola. Okay, that is y is equals to x square. The point of intersection will be 1 that is A. I am considering here it is A, and this is the origin. Your coordinate is 0, 0. Clear? Another important clockwise sense means this sense, that is from O to A and A to 0. Is clear? Now come to the second part. So our curve is over means consider the main part. Now you write down what is the given information. Let I is equals to x square plus xy into dx plus x square minus y into dy. Okay, so you have to jot down the information about the C. Here C means curve. You may write curve C consists of the line y is equals to x, that is the segment part. Segment, that is only this portion, and parabola y is equals to s square. This also part. This and that. Okay. So on basis of that we can divide is equals to OA, this to this, you write down along y is equals to x square plus xy into dx plus x square minus y into dy plus AO means this to that along y is equals to x square plus xy dx plus x square minus y dy. So that means your given information is divided by two parts according to the curve wise. Okay. Next. So you may consider that is I1 plus I2. Okay. First you are considering as a I1 and second part you are considering as a F2. Make it, first you have to calculate one by one for I1. Okay, for I1. So here curve is very important part. Curve is y is equals to x, dy is equals to dx. So that means you can replace all y by x and all dy by dx. Okay. So that means this one, this along this curve. Okay. So here when you replace y by x, so that means here your x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from 0 to 1. Correct? So when I replace all y in terms of x, it means only x is left. So your x varies from 0 to 1. So write down. Therefore, x varies from 0 to 1. Clear? So therefore, you may write I1 is equals to x is equals to 0 to 1. It means you are replacing all y in terms of x. So x square plus xy. So you replace y by x into dx plus x square minus y. So y replaced by x, that is x. What is dy? Dy is equals to x. Ultimately what we have, x is equals to 0 to 1, x square and x square, that is 3x square minus x into dx. So integrate this very easy. 3x cube by 3 minus x square by 2, 0 to 1. So 3 cancel, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 0 by 0. Ultimately half. So this is all about the calculation of I1. Clear? Now come to the second part. Same logic, write down for I2. Here curve is y is equals to x square. What is dy? Dy is equals to 2x into dx. So it means you want to replace all y by x square. Clear? Same logic. So along the curve from that direction. So here your x varies from xy varies from 1 to 1 to 0 0. So your x varies from 1 to 0. Clear? Therefore you write, therefore x varies from 1 to 0. Okay. So write down I2 is equals to x is equals to 1 to 0. Your form is x square plus xy, y replaced by x square into dx plus x square minus y, y replaced by x square, and dy you have dy replaced by 2x into dx from here. Okay, so this part is 0. So from here you may write x1 to 0. This part is vanished. So you have x square plus x cube into dx is equals to, you may write x cube by 3 plus x to the power 4 by 4. 1, 2, 0. Clear? Any doubt? Anyone? No. So if I substitute the upper limit minus lower limit, that is 0 plus 0 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, is equals to what you have, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. This is your y2 value. Okay, is it clear? Next, therefore we are in final stage. I is equals to c x square plus xy dx x square minus y into dy is equals to I1 plus I2. What is I1? Your I1 is half, that is half minus I2 is equals to half, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, ultimately if you take some LCM, that is 12, that is 6 minus 4 minus 3 is equals to minus 1 by 12. So this is the all about the answer of this.